Lesson: Case Studies and Applications. Artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in enhancing the efficacy and efficiency of incident response in cybersecurity. Case studies and real-world applications of AI in incident response underscore its transformative potential, highlighting its ability to quickly identify, analyze, and mitigate cyber threats. By examining these case studies, one can appreciate the tangible benefits AI brings to cybersecurity frameworks, particularly in incident response scenarios. One notable case study involves the use of AI by Darktrace, a cybersecurity firm that leverages machine learning algorithms to detect and respond to threats in real time. Darktrace's AI-driven platform, known as the Enterprise Immune System, mimics the human immune system's ability to detect and neutralize threats autonomously. This system continuously learns and adapts to the unique patterns of the network it protects, allowing it to identify anomalies that may indicate a cyber attack. In a notable incident, Darktrace's AI detected a sophisticated malware attack on a European bank. Traditional security measures had failed to identify the threat, but the AI system flagged unusual network behavior, allowing the bank's incident response team to swiftly contain and neutralize the threat. Another compelling case study is the application of AI by IBM's Watson for cybersecurity. Watson utilizes natural language processing to analyze vast amounts of unstructured data, including blogs, research papers, and news articles, to identify potential threats and vulnerabilities. In one instance, Watson helped a major healthcare provider identify a ransomware attack that had bypassed conventional security measures. By analyzing the attack patterns and correlating them with its extensive knowledge base, Watson provided actionable insights that enabled the organization to mitigate the attack and prevent data exfiltration. This case demonstrates how AI can augment human intelligence in incident response, providing deep insights that may not be immediately apparent to human analysts. AI's role in incident response is further exemplified by the use of automated threat intelligence platforms. For instance, Anomaly, a threat intelligence company, employs AI to aggregate and analyze threat data from diverse sources. Anomaly's platform can identify patterns and trends that indicate potential threats, providing early warnings to organizations. In a documented case, Anomaly's AI system detected a series of phishing campaigns targeting financial institutions. By correlating data from different incidents, the AI identified commonalities that suggested a coordinated effort by a cybercriminal group. This early detection allowed the affected institutions to implement preemptive measures, significantly reducing the impact of the phishing attacks. Statistical evidence supports the effectiveness of AI in incident response. According to a report by Capgemini Research Institute, 75% of organizations using AI to strengthen their cybersecurity capabilities experienced reduced incidents of breaches and improved response times. This statistic underscores the practical benefits of integrating AI into cybersecurity strategies, particularly in the context of incident response, where time is a critical factor. AI also plays a crucial role in enhancing the accuracy and speed of threat detection. Traditional signature-based detection methods often struggle to keep pace with the rapidly evolving threat landscape. In contrast, AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, detecting subtle anomalies that may indicate a cyber attack. A case in point is the use of AI by Cylance, a cybersecurity company specializing in AI-driven threat detection. Cylance's AI platform, Cylance Protect, utilizes machine learning algorithms to identify and block malware before it can execute. In a documented case, Cylance Protect successfully detected and blocked a zero-day exploit that had evaded traditional antivirus solutions. The AI system's ability to identify the threat based on its behavior, rather than relying on known signatures, highlights the advantages of AI in proactive threat detection. Moreover, AI's application in incident response extends to automated remediation. AI-driven systems can execute predefined response actions to contain and mitigate threats without human intervention. This capability is particularly valuable in scenarios where rapid response is essential to minimize damage. For example, FireEye, a cybersecurity company, employs AI to automate incident response processes. In a notable case, FireEye's AI system detected and isolated a ransomware attack on a manufacturing company. The system automatically quarantined the affected devices and initiated a rollback to pre-infection states, effectively neutralizing the threat and restoring normal operations with minimal downtime. The integration of AI in incident response also enhances collaboration and information sharing among cybersecurity professionals. AI-driven platforms can aggregate and analyze threat data from multiple sources, providing a comprehensive view of the threat landscape. This holistic approach enables organizations to share insights and coordinate their response efforts more effectively. A case study involving the Financial Services Information Sharing and Analysis Center illustrates this point. FSISAC employs AI to analyze threat data shared by member institutions, identifying emerging threats and disseminating actionable intelligence. In one instance, AI analysis revealed a new variant of banking malware targeting multiple institutions. By sharing this intelligence promptly, FSISAC enabled its members to implement protective measures, significantly reducing the malware's impact. In addition to real-world applications, academic research further validates the efficacy of AI in incident response. A study published in the Journal of Cybersecurity highlights the benefits of machine learning algorithms in detecting and mitigating cyber threats. The study found that AI-driven systems achieved higher detection rates and lower false positive rates compared to traditional methods, demonstrating the potential of AI to enhance incident response capabilities. In conclusion, case studies and applications of AI in incident response illustrate its transformative potential in enhancing cybersecurity. From real-time threat detection and automated remediation to improved collaboration and information sharing, AI provides significant advantages that bolster an organization's ability to respond to cyber threats effectively. The integration of AI not only enhances the speed and accuracy of incident response, but also empowers cybersecurity professionals with actionable insights that improve overall security posture. As the threat landscape continues to evolve, the adoption of AI-driven solutions will be critical in maintaining robust incident response capabilities and safeguarding digital assets.